At this moment in economics class, we shall be looking at cooperative society, looking into the definition of cooperative society, features of cooperative society, types of cooperative society, likewise advantages and disadvantages of cooperative society. Cooperative society. This is a business unit involving a group of individuals who have common interests, mutually agreed to come together in order to promote their economic activities such as production, marketing and distribution, and provision of other welfare benefits to their members. In cooperative society, we understand it's a business unit or business organization where we have group of individuals. These individuals are the people with common interests. That is, probably they might be in the similar line of a business, but they have common interests that they want to promote in their economic activities. That is, they are doing similar activities. Activities can be production, can be marketing, can be distribution. They are not only promoting economic activity, they also want to see that there is provision of other welfare benefits to their members. Features of cooperative society. Number one, ownership. Cooperative society starts from 2 persons and no maximum limit. In terms of ownership, we have minimum of 2 persons and there is no maximum. So far, people are interested in joining them, they will be welcome once they can meet the conditions being stipulated by the society. 2, objective. The objective is to promote economic activities and welfare of their members. The objective of cooperative society is not profit maximization, but to promote economic activities, which can be production, marketing, and distribution. Not only that, as well as promoting the welfare of their members. Number 3, capital. The funds used toward its formation derive from the member. That is, capital being introduced into the business or into the business unit, that is, cooperative society, comes from the members. 4, management. It is managed and controlled by committee. The members of the cooperative society are the one responsible in electing those people that will manage the society. But the society is managed by the committee, being elected by the members. Number 5, profit. The cooperative society can make profit, but in sharing the profit, it is shared based on patronage. Patronage in the sense that how each member contributes toward the economic activity of the society will determine each and everyone profit. So here now, it's not the capital that you bring into the business that will determine your profit, but how you patronize the business. Number 6, registration. It is registered as a limited liability. That is, in cooperative society, they enjoy what we call limited liability, like limited company that we have explained. So here, each member will not lose more than the contribution toward the formation of the society. Then the last one, number 7, it is democratic in nature. That is, there is element of democracy in cooperative society, where they apply 1 man, 1 vote. It is not your capital that will determine your votes. Types of cooperative society. Number 1, consumer cooperative society is a society involving coming together of consumers by pooling their resources in order to buy goods in bulk from the producers by passing middlemen in order to get these goods at cheaper rates and distribute this to their members. That is, here it involves consumers coming together to pool resources. The essence of coming together is to buy goods in bulk in order to bypass the middlemen, that is, the retailers and the wholesalers. By bypassing the middlemen, they will be able to buy the goods at cheaper rates, and they will distribute the goods among their members, which implies that the price that each and everyone will pay here will be very low when compared with the retail price and wholesale price. So that's what we call consumer cooperative society. Number 2, producer cooperative society is a society of producers of similar products who have come together to promote the sales and production of their products. In this type of cooperative society, we can have farmers to be involved because they are engaging in similar products. And the essence of coming together of these people is to pool their resources and buy the material they need at cheaper rates and distribute this material among themselves. It can be raw materials, it can be equipment that they need towards their production. So they come together to do what? To promote their production as well as to promote the sales of their products. Number 3, credit and drift cooperative society is an association of individuals encouraging their members to develop habits of saving money together, of which all or part shall be lent to any member at a lower rate of interest who might be in need of funds. The essence of credit and drift cooperative society is to bypass banks that fail to give people loan or fund in moving their activities forward. Going to bank will discourage many people because of the interest that the banks will charge or the bankers will charge. But by this cooperative society, they try to cultivate habits of savings among themselves, that whoever among the members that is interested or is in need of fund can come to that society, taking the fund and pay just little interest rate. That is what that is motivating, unlike the one the bank will use in discouraging you. So this type of cooperative society encourages people to have a habit of savings. Advantages of cooperative society. Number 1, encouragement of savings. Cooperative society encourages people to have a habit of savings. Looking at the type that we said, credit and drift, the essence is to encourage people to have a habit of savings, so that in case when they are in need of funds, they will find it easier to get funds. Number 2, democratic in nature. In cooperative society, we've said that one man, one vote principle is what they will apply in this situation, unlike partnership and limited company, where the number or the capital contributed determines your vote. So here, one man, one vote, irrespective of your capital. 3, financial assistance. In cooperative society, financial assistance is rendered to members, either in consumer cooperative, producer cooperative, or credit and drift cooperative. So they render financial assistance here to members. Number 4, elimination of middlemen. The key reason behind the establishment of cooperative society is to bypass the middlemen, wholesaler and retailer, because these people increase the prices of goods and services that make it difficult for consumer or producer to have access to this. But by forming the cooperative society, as consumer, you contribute your fund together, you bypass the middleman, and you buy from the producer. Here, you distribute the goods among yourself, meaning that each good or the goods will be charged at lower prices. The same thing is applied to producer. pulling their resources together to buy material they need towards their production. By doing this, they will be able to buy those materials and other things at cheaper rates. Number 4, improving living standard. With the help of cooperative society, every member will improve its living standard because the society tries to ensure that each member welfare is improved. Number 6, prevention of exploitation. Exploitation comes most times from the middlemen. They are the ones that engage in exploiting consumers, maybe in terms of increasing the prices or whatever. But by cooperative society, it ensures there is a prevention of exploitation. Number 7, low prices of goods. By pulling resources together and buy in bulk, the prices will be very low when you compare with individual buying the goods and services by themselves. Disadvantages of cooperative society. Number 1, inefficient management. There is an element of inefficiency in cooperative society. Inefficiency in the area of management. Most people being elected into this committee, most of them, they do not have experiences that they can use toward managing the society. So in cooperative society, they encounter this problem, inefficient management. Number 2, problem of loan recovery. When a member is granted a loan, the society finds it difficult to recover the loan from these people. At the end of the day, they won't be able to get the whole money from there. So this can lead to closure of the cooperative society. Number 3, evasion of tax. Cooperative society does not pay tax to government. So which implies that being a business unit, so they are not contributing into government purse in terms of taxes. So in that case, it's not encouraging. It's not contributing to the growth of government purse. Number 4, limited expansion. The society also encounter a problem of expansion in the area of inefficient capital. When there is not enough fund in running the society, then it implies that there is a limitation toward their expansion. So the society encounters this problem. Number 5, high level of illiteracy. High level of illiteracy in the sense that most of them, they are not literate. They are just in that society for one reason or the other. So element of illiteracy that is existing in cooperative society reduces the performance of such society. Examples. Question number 1. The most advantage of cooperative societies is A, their high degree of democracy. B, the increase in the cost of marketing. C, the members are encouraged to save money. D, the possibility of raising loans for the members. The right answer is A, their high degree of democracy. B, the increase in the cost of marketing cannot be an advantage, because in cooperative society we have different types. Consumer is not into marketing, while credit and trade is not into marketing. C, the members are encouraged to save money. In consumer cooperative society, they are not talking about savings of money. In producer cooperative society, they are not talking about savings of money here, but they are thinking about how they can move their sales and production forward. So we cannot pick that. D, the possibility of raising loan for their members. In consumer cooperative society, they are not raising loan there. They pool resources together and buy goods at cheaper rates. While in a producer cooperative society, well, they contribute, but we cannot be. They are not talking about loan, but there's a way they assist themselves. But credit and drift basically on loan or granting. So A will be preferable to other options. Because in cooperative society, element of democracy is applied. Unlike other types of business organization we have described. So proprietorship, partnership, based on your capital. Limited company is based on your capital. Then public enterprise, we are not talking about a private individual here, but we are talking about government in charge. So the right answer will be A due to that. Question 2. The cooperative as a form of business organization differ from partnership by having A. Several sources of capital for the business financing. B. Ability to issue preferred stocks to members. C. Entrenched democratic control in the conduct of the business. D. Established rules and regulations governing the activity of its members. The right answer is C. Entrenched democratic control in the conduct of the business. A will not be okay because all business organizations, they have a way of raising finance. So we cannot pick A as the right answer. B, we are not talking about limited company here, particularly the share capital. So we are not talking about share capital in cooperative society, likewise in partnership business. But in C, we are talking about control. In partnership, there is nothing like element of democracy when they are trying to have the management. But in cooperative, that one is applied. Democracy is applied in cooperative society, where we said one man, one vote. In partnership, there's nothing like one man, one vote. Your capital will dictate in this situation. Then D, all business organization, partnership, public limited liability company, private limited liability company, even public enterprise, likewise cooperative, they all have rules and regulations governing members. So the right answer will be C.